Did you know that 75% of professionals spend over 5 hours creating presentation slides every week? That's a staggering number, considering the average adult has around 40 hours of free time per week. If you're tired of wasting precious time on tedious slide creation, then you're in luck because I'm about to show you a game-changing tool that will revolutionize the way you create presentations. Meet Flick, the AI-powered presentation tool that generates high-quality slides in just 30 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. 30 seconds. With Flick, you can create stunning slides, complete with animations, graphics, and even videos, without any prior design experience. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create professional-looking slides in a fraction of the time you're used to. To get started with Flick, head to their website and sign up for a free account. The sign-up process is quick and seamless, taking just a minute or two. Once you're logged in, click on the Create button to start